The allure of the new BMW X5M and new BMW X6M, and the BMW X5M competition and BMW X6M competition models set to be launched alongside them in April 2020, resides not only in their flamboyant design and luxurious character, but most notably also in class-leading dynamism, agility, and precision. At the heart of their sublime powertrain/chassis composition is the latest incarnation of the high-revving V8 engine with M-twin power turbo technology developed by BMW M GmbH. The 8-cylinder unit boasts two turbochargers with indirect charge air cooling, a cross-bank exhaust manifold, direct petrol injection and Valvetronic variable valve timing, enabling it to deliver maximum output of 441 kW/600 HP in the BMW X5M and BMW X6M and 460 kW/625 HP in the competition models.